Here we're going to go over the install of the JLT Radiator Support cover for the 99 to 04 Mustang. Okay, because the new JLT Radiator Support cover is smoothed out, we take out all the clips for the prop rod, and hood lifters will be required. First thing we're going to do is remove the factory prop rod with the 8mm socket and ratchet. To remove the factory radiator support cover, there's 4 pins. If you still have all the factory ones, it's going to be a Phillips head center. The idea is to unthread it a little bit to be able to get in between, but a lot of times they get stripped out over the years. You can see this one's working. You just get it up a little bit, pull it out. Can't get it out because it's stripped, use something sharp and get in between, pop it up. The next thing that needs to be done is we need to remove the hood bump adjusters. A lot of times these are frozen and you have a hard time getting them out. You can also pull the rubber cap off the top and slide the cover over the top of it and put that rubber top back on the head of the stud. Sometimes it's a little hard to get it wrapped around, so I think it's easy just to take them off. Take the JLT radiator support cover, set it down. You can use your factory pins, but we also include them. Then reinstall your hood bumpers. Once you get it down, remember these were down pretty far, it is going to make contact with the end of the radiator support cover, but that's also going to help the ends hold down tight. Okay, now we need to check the adjustment of those hood bumpers. I like to bring it down and go to each corner and see where it sits. Maybe this one's a little low, so I can bring it up. Potentially be even adjusting this better than it was originally, because they were never right. Okay, as you can see, it's a much cleaner look. Once you get those bumpers installed, you're all set.